Good afternoon, class. So today we're looking at geometry, page 2, on in the St. Susie grade 8 geometry book. Okay, booklet. So the question says, calculate with reason the value of the angles indicated by the small letters. Okay, so as you can see here, in A, we can see that that's angles on a straight line. Okay, so A be saying that x plus 137 is equal to 180. Why? Because there's angles on a straight line. Okay, so at this point we can calculate x, 180 minus 137. I know you guys are not supposed to be using a calculator, but I'm just doing it so that I don't make a mistake. Okay, so I'm just confirming it on the calculator as well. Then yeah, we can say that y plus 141 equals 180. Why? Again, it's a straight line. So y is equal to 180 minus 141 is going to give you 39 degrees. Okay. Let's look at the second shape, B. Okay. That is A. So let's look at B. As you can see here, there's angles on a straight line again. Adds up to 180. So x plus 64 equals 180. Angles on a straight line. And there we've got two lines intersecting each other. The vertically opposite angles are equal. So y is equal to 164. So let's write that down. So we're saying that x plus 164 is equal to 180. It's a straight line. So x is equal to 16 degrees. 180 minus 64 is 16 degrees. Okay. Then we say that y is equal to 164 because it was vertically opposite angles. Okay. Let's look at C. Okay. For diagram C, we can see that we got angles in a straight line here. So you got y plus 54 plus y equals 180 because it's angles in a straight line. Okay, and you solve for y. So you say y plus 54 plus y equals 180. Straight line. So you've got 2y plus 54 equals 180. So 2y is equal to 180 minus 54. Which gives you an angle of 126, I think. Divided by 2, so y is equal to 61 degrees. Okay, let me just check if that's correct. 180 minus 54 divided by 2, 63. As you can see, I made a mistake, 63. Let's look at figure D. Again, we've got angles in a straight line here. So you've got 48 plus x plus 56 plus x equals 180. Angles in a straight line. Okay? Then I solve for x. Let's write that out. So it's 48 plus x plus 56 plus x equals 180. Angles in a straight line. Alright. So x plus x, of course, 2x is equal to 180 minus 48 minus 56. Remember, when you take a number over the equal sign, the sign changes. So 180 minus 48 is going to give you 132 minus 56. It's going to give you 12, which 4 carry 1 is 56, 12 is 46. Okay, so now I divide by 2. So x works out to be 23 degrees. Okay, let's check if it's right. So it's 180 minus 48 minus 56 divided by 2, 38. We just check 180 minus 48 gives you 132 minus 56 gives you 76. Why do I get 46? 76. And 76 divided by 2 gives you 38 degrees. Okay. Let's look at E. In E, that angle means 90 degrees. Okay. So You're going to say 45 plus E equals 90 degrees. It is given that M in R or R in M is 90 degrees. It was given to us. Once we got X, we can go then 45 plus that angle that we get for X plus 50 plus Y adds up to 180 because the angle's in a straight line. Okay? And then we solve for Y there. So let's do that quickly. So we're saying that X plus 45 equals 90 degrees. A reason that is M in R is equal to 90. That was given. Okay? It's given to us. So X is equal to 90 minus 45, which is 45 degrees. Okay? So now we can put 45 here now. Now we say 45 degrees plus 45 plus 90 plus Y equals 180, straight line. Or I could have just said 90 plus 50 plus Y is 180 because I have a straight line. Okay. So now we can say that I'm sure that there are a lot of angles here. So Y is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 50, which is 40 degrees. Okay. Let's go to page 3. On page 3, they ask you to calculate with reason the value of X and Y. So there we go. X is vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So X is equal to 60. Vertically opposite. Okay. Let's look at B, shape B. Again, X is 77. Y? It's vertically opposite. And then we say 77 plus Y is going to be 180, angles on a straight line. So let's write that down. That's vertically opposite angles. Then we say Y plus 77 equals 180. Angles in a straight line. Okay. So Y is equal to 180 minus 77, which is 103 degrees. Okay. Let's look at C. Firstly, X is vertically opposite to 32 there. Vertically opposite angles. Once I got X sorted, I can then say 32 plus 90 plus Y is going to be 180. Angles on a straight line. So let's write that out. C, X is equal to 32 degrees, is vertically opposite. Okay. And then you're going to say 32 plus 90 plus Y equals 180. Why? Because it's angled on the straight line. So Y is equal to 180 minus 32 minus 90. 180 minus 90 is 90, minus 32 is going to give you 58 degrees. Okay. Let's look at D. Firstly, X is equal to 34. Y, vertically opposite. Now if that is 34, okay, this is also X in the same diagram, so that will also be 34. And then we go and can say angles in a straight line adds up to 180. Okay, so let's write that out. So first X, so this is D, X is equal to 34 degrees. It's vertically opposite. So as we say, that is X is 34 as well. So you say 34 plus Y plus 34 degrees equal to 180. That is angles on a straight line. So Y is equal to 180 minus 34 minus 34 is 68. 70 is going to give you 130. So it's 132 degrees. We'll just check that's right. 180 minus 34 times 2. 112. Okay, I was far off. 34 times 2 is 68. Yeah, 112 is absolutely correct. My mistake there.